Here we come to the third and final elevator at Shepherd School of Music at Rice University in Houston, Texas. This is, I think, the service freight elevator. Just like all the other two I filmed, this used to be an older Otis Series 1. Gosh, that chime is loud. And they don't have that Otis. Oh, it does. I didn't see that well. Sorry about that, guys. I almost thought this doesn't have the Otis label. This one's got a much better motor, too. The lights are white on this one. I remember correctly, they used to have the blue LEDs until they changed it. And I think it has classic leveling, I think. Oh, it actually has it upstairs. I want to catch that classic level, and I didn't. I literally felt that a classic level up on the second floor. It didn't classic level. I thought it did. We're gonna go back down to one end there. I didn't know about this elevator until I came here back in 2014. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and exit. The fan is still original. What a sick sounding chime. There it goes. And that's it.